Alright guys, my favorite Pokemon from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet just dropped in Pokemon Unite. We're going to take a look at the MeowScarda moves overview in Pokemon Unite. So if you guys enjoy, please make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. YouTube.com/HereWentBlink. Put this all the way. Oh, I can't even do 1080p premium? Hey, what's going on here? Alright, there we go. Alright. MeowScarda. Difficulty intermediate, melee speedster. Sprigatito, Florgita level 4, MeowScarda level 6. So we're going to look into that. It has an offense of almost 5 out of 5 stars. Endurance, not good. Mobility, decent. Average mobility. Scoring, average. Support, not good. So its attack's going to be very good. Just like Cinderace, I believe. Kind of. Overgrow. So we're going to take a look at this. After the Pokemon takes damage that leaves half its max HP or less, it disappears into leaves for a short time. For a short time after that Pokemon's movement speed, damage dealt increase, and each time the Pokemon deals damage to a Pokemon, it recovers HP. It goes on cooldown after it's triggered. I see. So this is the overgrow. You disappear, then you can attack them and you do extra damage and you get your health back. I see. And that'll be when it's buffed, you do that much extra damage. And we have Flower Trick, one of the main moves from Scarlet and Violet. Has a user attach a flower bomb to the opposing Pokemon. The flower bomb can be detonated at will. If the move is used again, when it explodes, it deals damage based on the percentage of HP of the opposing Pokemon has lost. If the user deals damage to opposing Pokemon that has a flower bomb attached to it, the explosion area of effect is increased to deals increased damage. If the user knocks out an opposing Pokemon on the move's cooldown is reset. Wow, this seems pretty good. So you hit him at the same time it's about to come down on him, and then boom, Fireball's gonna do massive damage. So yeah, you want to be hitting him while the thing's about to drop on him, and then it should be able to KO him. Boom, and you should get your reset instantly. So it has this other move, Night Slash. Has the user send Night Slash with claws, dealing damage to mark slash waves hits, increase critical hit mark, opposing Pokemon. The user does damage to mark Pokemon with base attacks, and cooldown is reduced and recovers HP. So it's pretty cool. Double Team. Has the user create an illusory copy of itself, dashing in order to befuddle the opposing Pokemon. Swaps their illusory copy, the illusionary copy's HP drops to 0. Flower petals are scattered around, dealing damage to opposing. That's pretty OP. Wait, I can Trailblaze? Dude, this Pokemon has so many moves. Has a leap designated location, dealing damage to a Pokemon. Paralyzed. When is unable to move, movement speed is increased for a short time when the user remains tall grass. Move range is increased. Knocks out and assists. Cooldown. Dude, MeowScarda is insane, guys. So you can like be sneaky. This is gonna be a very tricky, sneaky character attacker that's gonna be wrecking. Alright, it's Unite move. Ooh, pretty cool. So what does this do? Has the user move instantly to the designated area location, creating a whirlwind of flowers around itself. Continually deals damage to opposing Pokemon. While using this move, the user cannot use other attacks. The move can be cancelled and used again. I see. Pretty good to just kill your opponent. So this is everything together. Double Team. Wait, Double Team. You're going to be able to copy your opponent's Pokemon. It's going to be better than Greninja's. That's Trailblaze, Double Beam, and Night Slash. You can like mix up combos with different moves, you know? I'm so excited. MeowScarda is my favorite Pokemon for Scarlet and Violet. I'm gonna let you guys watch this, but without me talking. Yeah, it's gonna be our combo, guys. The double team flower trick combo. Get ready for some more Pokemon Unite videos coming soon. MeowScarda gameplay. Peace out.